So now let's talk about appearances. Now you can apply appearances using one of the three options. The appearance option is here in the heads up toolbar. It's also available here in the display manager, and you also have it here. In this case, I'll start with this heads up toolbar and I'll click on this appearances option. And now we have the color panel and also the appearances, scenes and decals. Let's just talk about this first and then we'll get to this one. Now the first option here is the geometry. In this case, complete geometry is selected, which is this entire SolidWorks part. So if you apply an appearance now, it will be applied to this entire set of parts. So in this case, I'll select maybe this red color, this dark red color, and as you can see, it will apply that color entirely to this part. Click OK, and here we are. We have got the appearance applied here. Now you can see the appearance here in display manager. So after the appearance is applied, you can select the display manager and the appearance will show up here. If you want to later modify this appearance, you can select, right click and select edit appearance and then change it from here. So in this case, maybe let's just change it to this color and click OK, and there we are. The appearance is now modified. Now if you don't want this appearance on this entire set of parts, then you can select it and remove it as well. So remove appearance, and now you can start from scratch again and apply appearances on selected areas. For example, in this case, I will now go to this edit appearance once again, so that we have this appearance option. And here, instead of selecting this appearance part, I will select face. But before I do that, I need to delete this one from here. So I'll right click and select clear selection so that we have a clean slate here. And then I'll select faces. Now we can select faces and the appearance will be applied only on our selected faces. Currently, you don't see any changes because we just need to select a color as well. So in this case, I will click here and the color is selected, and you can see the appearance on all the three selected faces. Click OK, and here we are. We've got the appearance applied, and it's only applied on the face that we selected, not on the entire body. Let's do it again. So I'll go to edit appearance, and now we will add appearance on these two bodies. Now, as you know, these two are different bodies. So to apply the appearance, I'll once again right click here and select clear selection, and I'll select bodies option. This one, this is the body option. Now let's select this green color and I'll select this first body and the second body. Click OK, and now the appearance is applied on this entire set of bodies. Let's go to appearance one more time. And then finally, we have an option of feature. Now using this feature option, you can add appearances on features like fillets, extruded cuts, and so on. In this case, I will apply it on these two fillets. So first, let's just once again clear the selection and go to features. And now I'll zoom into this area and I'll select this feature, which is a fillet. And maybe this feature as well, once again a fillet. So let's just select it and I'll select a color, maybe this purple color. And as these two fillets are made with just one single fillet command, we don't need to select it separately. Just selecting one of these fillets is enough for this case. Click OK, and there we are. We have got the appearance applied here on that selected feature. Similarly, the last option here is surface. So if you have surface, you can apply appearance on that surface too. Okay, so that's how you can apply appearances. Now, what if you want to apply texture? Now to do that, you can select the texture option from here, or you can directly apply the textures from here as well. Now these are different materials that you can apply. But before I do that, let's just cancel this out and let's remove all of these appearances that we have applied so far. So in this case, I will select all of these appearances and I'll just select remove appearance. Okay. And it's gone. Now we no longer have any of these appearances here. Let's start adding the appearances, and this time I will select the appearance option here. And we now have all of these materials. Let's start with wood, and the wood is available in this organic folder. So let's go to organic and I'll expand it, and here we have wood. And these are all the wood materials we have, and also you can see the preview here. Let's just select this polished walnut, and to apply this, just select it, drag it and drop it on the part you want to apply. So I'll just drop it here. But as soon as you do that, SolidWorks will give you this extra tooltip. Now using this tooltip, once again, you can select the area where your appearance will be applied. So you can select face, feature, body, or entire object. So now it depends completely on you where you want to apply it. I just want to apply it on entire body. So I'll select body, and the feature will be applied on this complete body. It is not going to affect anything else. And once again, that appearance is added here. Let's do it again. So I'll go to this one, and here I will select some other appearance here. Maybe I'll select this rosewood, and I'll drag it and drop it here, this one. And once again, I'll select body. All right, so this is applied. Now we have two different appearances applied on the same object. Let's just repeat this for all of these other parts. Now, instead of dragging it and dropping it again from this list, you can copy and paste appearances. And to do that, all you need to do is just select here, right click on this appearance and select copy appearance, and then go to the part where you want to apply it. So I just want to apply it here. So I'll right click here and select paste. This is paste appearance. Now, once again, we have this. So select body, and it is applied here. Once again, I'll right click, paste, body, it's applied. Now, if you want to copy this appearance, you don't even need to go to this list here. You can copy it from here as well. So right click here and select copy appearance, then right click here and go to paste appearance, select the body, and there we are. We've got this thing applied here properly. So that's how you can copy and paste appearances. Now let's do it again just for this one. Now for this, I'll go to appearance again, and here I will select fabric and cloth, and here I'll select this burgundy cotton. Now to apply this, once again, I'll drag it and drop it here. And in this case, I will select this revolve feature. We just want to apply it on this revolve feature. You can also select face, but here revolve feature will make more sense. So I'll select this revolve feature, and that's where we have got this appearance applied. Now I just want to apply the same appearance inside this as well. So I'll select this burgundy cotton from here, copy appearance, right click and paste it. And here I'll just apply it on this cut extrude feature. You can also select the face if you only want to apply this appearance here on this face. Now let's maybe apply this on the face only. So I'll maybe select paste appearance and the face. There we are. We've got this applied on the face. Now for these parts, let's just apply some other appearance. And for that, I'll go to appearance, and here maybe we can select something else, maybe this canvas. And again, drag it and drop it here. And I'll select this face, and here I'll copy this and paste it on fillet. So here I'll just select this fillet too. And now it is applied on both of these. So there we are. We have got the appearance applied everywhere we need. And that's how you can copy, paste appearances and apply it on several different parts. Now finally, if you want to add images like logos in your drawing, then that also you can do very easy using decal option. Now the decal option is here. So in the display manager, select decal, and now you can select this one, open decal library. This is going to open all the decals available in SolidWorks. So this is just the default library which you can select, and you can just drag and drop objects here if you want to apply it. For example, if you want to add this recycling logo here, just drag it and drop it here. And there we are. We've got this logo. Now you can obviously decrease its size like this. You can rotate this one just to make it proper. And now once you are satisfied, click OK. So that's how you can add any ready-made logo here. But if you want to add your own logo, your own decal, then you can do that using this. So right click here and select add decal. And now select your picture. So in this case, I'll select browse, and I'll locate a logo which is available here. So I'll select this source CAD logo, open, and here's the logo. I'll select this face, and now we'll have the logo here. Now in this case, the logo is barely visible, so that's because its size. So I'm just going to make it really very large, and I'll just rotate this, and after rotating, I just noticed that here I have the logo. It's really very tiny, so I may need to fix its position. Now to do that, I'll go to mapping, And here I just need to fix some of these parameters. So the first one is this distance. So I'll just drag this slider here, and I guess a distance of 450 should be just fine. So I'll type that value 450, and this one I'll just move it slightly up. So I guess that we can make 190. There we are. And then we've got the size. So let's increase it a little bit like this. There we are. Now the logo looks good, but there is a problem. It's color. So it should have background transparency because I'm using a PNG image, but it is not transparent. Now to make it transparent, I will go to this image, and here we have an option of using the decals alpha channel. So select this, and now this will become transparent like this. So here we have the logo is now clearly visible, and now with these changes we can click OK, and we have the logo added here as well. So that's how you can add ready-made logos as well as your own logo in your drawing. Now this is just the basics of appearance. There is a lot you can do in appearances, and you can even change the background scenes, which we will discuss again in the rendering section of this course. For now, this was the basics of appearance in SolidWorks.